Welcome to our complete guide for beginners on how to make money online. In this video, we'll be sharing with you a variety of options for earning an income online, including starting a blog or website, selling products or services, doing freelance work, investing in the stock market, participating in market research, becoming a VA, renting out a spare room on Airbnb, and creating and selling online courses. So whether you're looking to supplement your current income or start a new career or a side hustle, there's likely a path on the internet that can help you achieve your financial goals. So let's get started right now. So I think there are many ways to make money online, and it can be overwhelming for beginners to figure out, where do I start? So here's a couple of options that you can consider. Number one is start a blog or a website, and you can earn money through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. That's where you're actually selling products from other companies and getting a commission back from them. So there are several ways to monetize a blog or a website, including the advertising side, the sponsored content side, and the affiliate marketing side. Advertising involves placing your ads on your website or blog and earning a commission for each click or impression, kind of like Google AdSense. Sponsored content involves being paid by a company to create and publish content about their product or service. And affiliate marketing involves promoting products from other companies and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. So to start a successful blog or website, I think it's important to consistently create high quality content and build up an engaged audience. This can take time, but with dedication and persistence, it can be a rewarding and very profitable venture. All right, option two, you can sell products or services. So consider starting an e-com store, offering freelance services, or selling digital products like ebooks or courses. That's always possible to make money online. One option, one of my favorite, is to start an e-com store where you can sell physical or digital products. You can also consider offering freelance services like graphic design, writing, or marketing. Alternatively, you can always sell those digital products like ebooks or courses. So I think to sell products or services online, it's important to have a clear value proposition and a good target market. So you'll also need to decide on a platform to sell your products. Are you going to use a standalone website or an existing marketplace like Etsy or Amazon? It's also important to invest in marketing and promotion to reach potential customers and drive sales. So I think with a well-defined business plan, a dedication to customer service, selling products or services online can be very lucrative and fulfilling for you. All right, moving on. Option three. This is one I actually did for a little bit when I first started. It's doing freelance work. So there are many websites that will connect freelancers with clients, like sites like Upwork, Freelancer, even Fiverr will do that. So freelancers offer a wide range of services, they could be writing content, graphic design, marketing, and more. And there are a lot of websites out there that will connect you too, so you don't have to worry about that. So I think to be successful as a freelancer, it's important to have a clear understanding of your skills and areas of expertise, as well as the needs of your potential clients. You should also be proactive in marketing your services and building a strong online presence like your brand. In addition, it's important to be organized and manage your time effectively, as you're going to be responsible for completing projects on your own. With hard work and dedication, freelancing can be a flexible and rewarding way to make money online. All right, moving along, we're at option four, and that is investing. Investing in the stock market. Now, you can invest in the stock market through a brokerage account, or you can have an advisor in person. I used to do this myself. I used to be a financial advisor, and the reason I quit is because I basically listened to all what head office was saying all the time, and I lost people a lot of money, and I wasn't really happy with that. That's when I started working online for myself. So I think investing carries a lot of inherent risks and potential rewards too. So if you want to invest in the stock market, you're going to need a brokerage account with a firm that's going to allow you to buy and sell stocks. Alternatively, you can use a real life advisor, which is someone you actually call up on the phone or talk to in person, and they can create and manage a portfolio of stocks for you. Usually the guys with the gray hair are the ones you want to go with, honestly, because they've been around forever. They've survived up markets and down markets, and they're really good at what they're doing. So I think before investing in the stock market, do your research, understand the risks, understand you can lose, and you also need to consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. And you also want to diversify your portfolio, investing in a variety of stocks, mutual funds, bonds, whatever you want. That's going to help spread risk and potentially maximize returns. I think it's also important to regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. So while investing in the stock market can be a way to make money online, it's not a guarantee. It's important to be aware of the potential risks. When there's a lot of risks, there's a lot of reward though. All right, moving along. Option 5. You can actually participate in market research. So there are some companies that will pay you to participate in focus groups, surveys, and other research studies. So companies and organizations often conduct research studies to gather information about consumer preferences and behavior. They might pay individuals to participate in those groups and surveys and the other research methods. So to find those opportunities, you can search online for companies that conduct research studies, or you can sign up with a market research firm that will match you with relevant studies. I think you need to be aware that market research opportunities may not be available consistently, and the pay for each one can vary pretty dramatically. So I think though, participating in those studies can be a really convenient way to make some extra money in your spare time online. Moving along, option number 6, become a virtual assistant. So many businesses and individuals and coaches and all that are looking for help with tasks like scheduling, email management, social media management, all that stuff that you can do. You could be the person providing admin, tech, or creative assistance to clients remotely, meaning you can work from home. Many businesses and individuals are in need of help with these tasks, like the email especially, and social media. And they're willing to hire virtual assistants to handle these tasks. So to become one, it's important to have really strong communication skills as well as the tech side necessary for you to complete the tasks that you're going to be responsible for. You should also be organized and able to manage your time effectively. You can find VA work through freelance job sites or by reaching out to small businesses and entrepreneurs directly. So I think with the right skills and a strong work ethic, being a virtual assistant can be a flexible and rewarding way to make money online. There are a lot of stores too, like Shopify stores, that hire VAs in order to answer customer queries. And also there's VAs out there that will actually do a little bit more. They might handle refunds, they might handle order processing, they might handle the social media marketing for the store. So there's a lot of opportunity there. Option number 7 is rent out a spare room on Airbnb. So if you have a spare room in your home, you can earn money by renting it out on Airbnb. So Airbnb is a platform that allows people to list their homes or apartments for short-term rentals to people that are just traveling around. So to start renting out a room on Airbnb, you'll need to create a listing on their site, set the dates available, and then you also need to set a price and include details and photos of your space. It is very important to be responsive to guest inquiries and manage the booking process effectively. You also need to consider any local laws and regulations related to the short-term rentals. But with a well-maintained space and good guest communication, I think that renting out an Airbnb room can be a really convenient way to make some extra money. All right, we're almost done here, but option number 8, this is one that I do a lot too. That's create and sell online courses. And I've been doing this for years. But if you have an expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell courses to help others learn. There's a lot of different places you can do this. There's a variety of platforms that allow you to create and sell these courses, like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, and more. So to create a successful online course, the key ingredient is to have a clear understanding of your target audience and what exactly they're looking to learn, the problem that you're going to solve. You also need to consider the format of your course, like video, written, interactive. Marketing your course is probably the hardest part because reaching potential students is important. So I think with a well-planned course, effective marketing, selling online courses can be very lucrative and very fulfilling and a great way to make money online. Always remember, Do your due diligence before embarking on any online money-making scheme. I don't want to use the scheme. Let's change that to venture. Some opportunities may require an upfront investment, or they might involve a high level of risk, and go with your gut on that. All right. So those are my 8 options for you. My favorite of them all is opening a store online and selling print-on-demand products. So I'm also running a 100K challenge for all of 2023, where I'm starting 2 new stores from scratch, and I'm going to get them up to that amount. So, well, I mean, that's the goal anyway. Nothing is guaranteed in life. I'll put a link in the description below to this if you want more info. So thank you for joining us on this complete guide on how to make money online. I hope you found the information helpful and are feeling inspired to start your own online venture. Let us know in the comments if you're currently doing any of the 8 options we went through. I know I'm doing a few of them right now personally. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content from our channel. We'll be sharing even more tips and strategies for earning an income online, and we don't want you to miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.